Today we'll be exploring the Cut Paste Photos application. It is a mobile phone application that can be downloaded from Google Play Store and be used to edit your photos. So let's try manual cut. And the photo we're going to select is this beautiful scenery hotel scene. We're going to try shape cut, circle. For the circle we're going to try the triangular cut. Then we're going to try the rectangular cut. Just extend it. Yeah, do your best with it. Then there's also the rounded cut, very similar to the rectangular cut. Then there is a polygon cut. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's almost like an octagonal cut, really. Look at that, nice. And then there is heart. Look at that. And then there is star, beautiful. Look at that. There is also crescent moon cut, lovely. This reminds me of the cropped function in Microsoft Word and Paint, right? So basically that's it, and you would finalize, and you see that on your screen. You can choose to if you want to edit or you want to say it is finished. This will be saved somewhere and then you can move it to your gallery. We're going to cancel. We're going to try the straight cut. We're going to try the smart cut. You see, you get that option. Now let us return to our front screen and we're going to try for collages. You can put in the hello. Okay, you can add other things. Change your font, lovely. You can add your text if you want. You can include things from your clipboard as well. You can also put in shadows, colors, change the style, the size of the writing. Look at that, there's a lot of options there. Look there, shadow, opacity, color, texture, curve. That's it. Lots of options for photo editing right here. We are going to come out and we're going to try another option. There is also background remover, right? You can remove backgrounds from your photos. So let's try this. We wanted to edit it. Color prop. Look at that. Exit. We can do a clone. You get duplicates, right? You can get exit. We can also motion effect. I don't know how that works. Right, left. I guess you can adjust. Okay, come out of that, exit. There are many options: text effects, statue, stone, mirror, camouflage. There are many options in this one. Let's try scene maker. Let's see how that goes. So there you are. We're going to try to put that in that. Look at that. Oh, we're gonna come out. Let's try something else. Look at that. Okay, we're gonna. You have to download these scenes, right? Look at that. There are various scenes that you can create with your photos. Look at this one, a lovely big dog. Look at that. Look at that. Christmas, whatever you want to do to edit your photos, it is here. You can become a photo editing pro. Then there are WhatsApp. You can add whatever you want to add, and of course the apps always allow advertisements, so you just have to be mindful of that when you're using it. It's a little bit annoying sometimes, but comes with the package. So you see you have auto background remover, face copy, manual copy, refine photos, scene maker, paste photo, create collage, WhatsApp stickers, and more tools. Look at that. Lots of options. However, we will not be exploring them today. There's also meme in there. So remember, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Now I really hope you enjoyed this session with photo editing applications, and I enjoyed it because I've learned a lot, and I know you have learned a lot as well. Please leave your comments down below and let me know what you think about the use of the cut paste photo application. Let me know if there's any questions. Let me know if there is any other tips you'd like to share about this particular photo editing application, or any others that you may want to share with us. Learning and acquiring knowledge is very important, so acquire knowledge along the way and learn to share it to empower others. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.